Most of you think ChatGPT is the best AI tool, but Claude is smarter. And I have seen so many testimonies like this, and lots more on all social media platforms of people talking about Claude. And if you have been sleeping on it, you have been losing money. By the end of this video, you will realize you have been using the wrong AI. The people that are actually winning with AI, they switched to Claude long time ago. And today, right now, I'm gonna show you exactly what you have been missing. This prompt right here, this is what ChatGPT gave me. And here is what Claude gave me. You see that? Let me prove it even further. Come with me. You are a content strategist. Answer this question like you are talking to someone who's been grinding for months with no result and is about to quit. What's the one thing most content creators get wrong that's silently killing their growth? Be honest, be direct, make it hit. I'll copy. So here in a new tab in ChatGPT, I'll paste the exact prompt and then send. You are stuck, you have to stay consistent and the rest of it. Okay, so this is it right here. The shift you need to make: stop being a content poster, start being an attention engineer. Because the creators who win aren't the ones who post the most, they are the ones who make it impossible to scroll past them. Okay, so this is what ChatGPT gave us using this prompt. Let's paste the same prompt inside of Claude AI. Okay, so right now this is it, and we'll send. Mind you, this is Claude free plan. I didn't subscribe to Claude, I didn't pay for it, and I'm using it in both my mobile and also my system right here. Okay, so right now let's see what Claude comes up with. They are optimizing the wrong thing. You have been focused on making content when you should have been focused on making content people are really searching for. Okay, so now let's read more. Most creators sit down and think, what do I want to say today? That's a hobby. But once growing and thinking, what is my audience searching into the search bar? Oh, wow. As you can see right now, Claude is thinking just like a human. This is how people think. Claude doesn't just give you a generic answer, it thinks like a human being. The brutal truth: your content might genuinely be good. The problem is it was never built to be found. No keyword intent, no search. And Claude is giving me this because it already knows I'm a YouTuber. Like I said, it retains context. It will always have that information whenever it is giving you anything. Once you tell it I'm a YouTuber, whatever question will be around that I am a YouTuber. This is absolutely beautiful. These three reasons are why Claude is built differently. One, it writes like human. When you ask ChatGPT to write, it writes, and whoever sees this knows that it is robotic. And even you, I'm sure, can identify right now when I use ChatGPT to write my messages. But Claude, it writes exactly the way a human being thinks. It flows. It sounds natural. And if you are a content creator or a faceless creator, that matters more than anything. Two, it remembers everything in just one conversation. Claude can hold an insane amount of information in a single conversation. And also, you can even paste a full document just like this. Okay, you might be wondering why I'm starting afresh. So Claude kicked me out. I told you this is a free plan. So I have to wait again for another day. This is another day. So I can be able to test the free tools and the free plan to know exactly how it works. All right, I haven't subscribed, just like I told you at the beginning of this video, and they told me I have to wait for a whole day to be able to start doing whatever I'm doing with Claude. Okay, so if you are a student, of course you have to upgrade or you have to wait. Okay, there's no way again. So once you use it for some time, they will ask you to wait. So while at it, let me try adding file. All right, so I will click on this plus sign and of course add files. Let me ask Claude to explain everything in the file. Let me see if it can do it using the free plan. All right, as you can see, Claude is giving us everything. This is an ebook that I made. I built this ebook with a mentee who booked a one-on-one season. Okay, so I randomly just saved it even without knowing. I think when we are still doing the one-on-one session, right? So this is it. Claude interpreted everything in the file, or even any paper that you want to paste, and Claude will not forget what you said at the beginning, at the middle, or even at any point in that document. But ChatGPT loses context fast, but Claude doesn't. 3. No ads in Claude. Never. But ChatGPT have started running ads on their free plan. But with Claude, you get 0 ads, even if you are on the free plan or even on the paid plan. Nothing like that, because you are here to work and not to be sold to. This is not a marketplace. Let me show you how to use Claude the right way. And I'll also be giving you a free gift which will make Claude to understand you even more. To make Claude to understand you better, simply come right here at your profile, click on settings. Now it will add you to add your full name, alright? You add your full name. You now tell Claude if you want it to address you as babe. For me, success is fine, alright? Then it will give you options, right? What best describes your work? If you're a human resources, engineering, blah, blah, anything, all right, you add it here. Then here, this is where you tell it exactly who you are. As you can see, I'm a full-time YouTuber, content creator coach, and AI tools coach. I'll organize this as a template right here. It's very long. I have to shorten it so you understand what this is all about, right? This is it telling it who you are. So that whenever, if you're a student, a medical student, whenever you are prompted, it will understand better. It will understand you, your preference, what Claude will consider in responses, all right? So this is perfect, and I will send it to you. Just comment template in the comment section if you like this, and of course, I will send it to you, right? So just comment template. Once you are done, you scroll down. You can decide if you want notification, you turn it on or right off. If you want light mode, if you want dark mode, right? So this is how you turn on the dark mode. You can scroll down auto this, all right? So you choose your font, you choose voice and background animation if you want, right? So with this right here, you are good to go. You go back to new chat and start with whatever that you want to do, whether it be it an assignment or anything. So now you understand Claude. Very simple, very powerful, and once you start using it, trust me, you will not go back to anything else. Now I want you to do one thing. Go to Claude AI, try it yourself. You don't need to pay to start. Use the free plan. Try it yourself. Yes, I want you to try it and come back to this video, and in the comment section drop I love Claude. And also, let me know what you think about Claude in the comment section when you try it, so you can start using it for your Faceless channels, for your prompts, and a whole lot of things. I am Success, and I wish you success. And I know you will love to see me in my next video, so like this video. It helps YouTube show it to more creators like you who will find this video helpful. And also subscribe to this channel and turn on your notification bell so you'll be among the first persons to see my next video once it drops. I will see you soon. Bye.